The match is between Kodimial versus Chatavana University campus. So there you go. The service is on. Excellent drop. Minus ball. Really good drop again. The Chatavana University Karimnagar players. These are the college students campus. That's really good spike. Nice block, but not succeeded in defending it. Service is on. The ball is on the air. So easy save. Excellent draw. Excellent spike. Missed it. They got the point. So time to change the court now. So the set has begun again. They are really quick to get the ball. So nice drop. Good save. Kodimial players. That's a nice block from Chatavana University players. Karimnagar. They're aiming for this win now. Let's see. The service is really good. So he's going to spike it. Nice drop. Excellent from Kodimial team. Good presence of mind out there. That's a spinning service. It is in the air. The ball is flying. Good save. Let's see. Yes, he smashed it really nice. Direct into the court, middle of the court. This is what volleyball is all about. Strength and power and focus. All together you will see these kind of excellent shots. You can see the service now. There you go. It's in the air again. That's nice. The Kodimial players here are coming back in this match now with that point. That's it. Nice service in the air. Flying spike from the player of Chatavana University. Good point. It looks like back-to-back points for these players. Another nice plain service that was going really good. So it will be simple for them to spike again. That's it. Really nice. He's looking really good, like an express. Going to hit the ball on that net. Everything is really good from the Chatavana University players. You can see him. He's waiting for the ball to come, so he want to spike it again. That's it. Nice drop. Good presence of mind. Easily taken the point now. Really good from Kodimial players. That's it. That is coming really good. Excellent drop. Again they are playing with the drops and minus balls. He's coming flying and spiking it. Look at that joy in the face of the player after spiking the ball onto the opposite team. That is it's all about. We can see it now. Again good service. There you go. They want to hit it again. Good save from the center. That's a miss. So they are guiding the player to hit wherever it should be. That's again nice service. It is going flying and smashed it well. That's really good from Chatavana University Karimnagar players. They're going to win this match, it looks like. There it is. That's a minus ball and that is dropped. Point to Kodimial team now. They're checking it to get the points now. How to get those points easily. Excellent service. Minus ball. It is another minus ball. Excellent by the booster from Chatavana University Karimnagar. So the player is ready to spike again. Let's see what will happen. Easy service. Easy game. Easy. Let's see. The flight mode is on. The ball is flying. It's an easy save. There you go. That's excellent defense out there from Kodimial team. So these are young players from Chatavana University. So being with their talent, they are jumping high and scoring points. So let's see what will happen now. The Kodimial team is not giving it up. They are fighting really hard. Look at them. That's a minus ball. So they are also doing really good. So the ball is in the air now. So let's see. Easy service. So the point is to Chatavana University now, as the 3 passes are completed. There you go. That's game really nice. That's it. That's dropped. Minus ball and the point to Kodimial team now. So the score is 6-9 in favor of Chatavana University. That's a powerful spike from the white t-shirt player. So there you go. The ball is flying as the spike is fast. So the service is easy. So it was dropped there and he is going to hit it. Yes, that's out ball. And that's it. There is another match is going on out there. And these are the players now looking to finish this match as soon as possible, because here it is sunny even in winter. Nice service. Point to Kodimial team. It looks like they are distracted just a bit, so unable to take that service easily. Let's see what will happen in this service. So this time he did not make the same mistake. He is jumping and easily getting those points here. So the next team should look out by the Chatavana University players out there scoring here. There you go. Service. There it is. And it is in the air. Minus ball. You can see what will happen. Easy pass. That's it. Again easy drops. Minus ball. So there you go. He wants to fly again. That's a good defense. Once again the ball is in the air for a while now. Finally it came down. So the point to Kodimial team. So that's it. So the service excellent. Kodimial got another point here.